Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Pipedrive for sales pipeline management, complete guide step by step clearly. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. You will then receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided in the email. Once your email is verified, return to the Pipedrive login page. Enter your credentials to log in to your new account. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your sales pipeline. Choose to either create a pipeline from scratch or use a template provided by Pipedrive. Customize your pipeline stages according to your sales process. Add relevant fields to track important information for each deal. Next, invite your team members to join your Pipedrive account. You can do this by navigating to the Settings section and selecting Users. Enter the email addresses of your team members and send them invitations. Once they accept the invitations, you can collaborate on deals in real time. Start adding deals to your pipeline by clicking on the Add Deal button. Fill in the deal details, assign it to a team member, and select the pipeline stage. Use the Pipedrive dashboard to monitor your sales activities and performance. You can also integrate Pipedrive with other tools to streamline your workflow. Make use of reporting features to analyze your sales data and optimize your strategy. Regularly update your pipeline to ensure accurate tracking of progress. Explore additional resources and tutorials provided by Pipedrive for deeper insights. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your sales pipeline effectively using Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.